Key switch. The key switch consists of a key to block the extinguishing line and a light to indicate whether the system is safe for maintenance. The system can be activated or deactivated simply by turning the key. Opening the key switch reveals a few simple ports. The X1 and the NO3 ports are designated to connect to the 24V or to the system. The extinguishing line must be connected to ports NC1 and NC2. By turning the key when the system is active, contact is made for the light and contact is broken for the extinguishing line, in effect deactivating the system. It is now safe for maintenance.